Although you have enough RAM space, you have enough disk space, but your PC is still running slow. Yes, it might be that it's been a long time you defragmented your disk. Yes, defragmentation simply means trying to send the files to its original location so that your PC will not struggle when searching for any file. That is it. Before we start, let's look at something here. So assuming you're in your room, you picked your pomade. After using it, you place it at a different place. You picked your perfume, you placed it at a different place. The next time when you come to use your pomade and your perfume, you need to go and search for it. Sometimes it might take a little bit longer because that is not the actual place you have been putting it. Same applies to PC. So when you open a file, when you save a file, when you copy a file, the files are scattered on our disks and you need to defragment it so that they will now come to their original location, and this will make your PC search for it very fast whenever it needs it because it knows the location, but it intends to be slow when it goes to the where it is supposed to be and it does not find it. You need to go and search for it at a different place. Today we are going to learn how we can defragment our disks in order to boost our PC speed. If this sounds like something you're interested, join me and let's get started. So you come to your search bar and search for defragment and optimize drives. You'll click on it. You'll be welcomed with this interface. This is hard disk. That's the drive C and the drive D. So you choose the drive you want to defragment. You select the drive, then you click on analyze. So after some time, you see the percentage you'll be reading. We are now on 19% analyzing. Now to 21. So after analyzing it, you now select that same disk and click on optimize. So you do same for the drive D. You select the drive, you analyze it and optimize it, and this will increase the speed of your machine. Now maybe you don't want to do this manually. You can now schedule the defragmentation, and the PC will automatically defragment your drive after the due time. So you set a time for it. That's, let me say, after 1 month, the PC should automatically defragment your drive for you. Doing so, you come to schedule optimization. You can see that we have drives are being analyzed on a schedule, and so you click on the change settings here. Then you activate this run on a schedule. Then you set, I'm using weekly, but you can choose yours to daily or monthly. So if you prefer weekly, to fine. Now increase task priority if 3 consecutive schedules run are missed. So you activate it, then you click on OK. After that, you close it, and every week or every month, based on the time you scheduled it, your PC will automatically run disk defragmentation, and it will ensure smooth running of your machine. If this sounds like something you're interested, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you and I can improve our tech knowledge together. My name is Kwesi.